Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm doing a part 2 video for the leather seats. I already did the part 1. If you want to check it out, there's a video up here I'll put a link to. That's part 1. That's the front seats. Today I'm doing part 2 and I'm going to do the back seats. So I've already done the front seats, like I said, and you can see those here. They look pretty good. Really pleased with how these turned out. They look really good. So today I'm doing the back seats, which means I got to get there's two back seats, you know, because it's a divided 60-40. So I got to get the 2 back seats out so that we can get the leather put on. So these are 1/2 inch or probably 13 millimeter, but I'm using 1/2 inch bolts. So I'm using a combination of an impact and a breaker bar to get these things loose. You'll notice for these front ones, they give you a little cutout for your breaker bar or your wrench or whatever you're using, but you will need to use an extension to get down there. Okay, that's the 2 front bolts, and there's 2 in the back. So if you want to know how I got the seat back down so easily, there is this latch on the back which clips into the back of the truck, and there's no easy way to disengage this from the factory, but you can buy a bracket like this that comes with a little tether, and it just simply unlocks it just like that. There's several different manufacturers that make these. I'll go ahead and throw a link to this down in the description below so you can buy one if you don't already have one, but it's a great investment for anybody. They're super cheap, and there's a whole lot of storage area behind your seat that having something like this allows you access to, or easy access to. So link to that down in the description below.
this also. We're going to check on the way back. Correction, actually, we just got canceled, so you guys can return.
Josh, thank you, sir. Four copies. 23 copy.
Sure will. Yes, sir.
The other seat is exactly the same as this first, so I'm not going to bore you with showing you all the same thing over again. It's the same exact process, we just got to do it again.
So here are my new seats, and they look pretty good. I mean, they look as good as the front ones, so I'm not surprised by them or anything, but they look good. It's just as much of a pain to put these on as the front ones, if not more, because of the double back seat, but well worth it. So all that's left is to get them in the truck, route some of the seat belts, and then it's all done. Well, there it is, guys. The full front and back seat leather seat swap. I'm happy with it. It looks good. Leather feels good. It's got nice stitching. It all fits pretty well. There were a few places here and there where the fitment could be a little bit better, but overall, nothing major. All very, very good. So. Alright guys, so as a reminder, these seat covers were sent to me by RRW Full Review, and this is part 2 of a two-part series. So this is the back seats. Make sure you check out the front seat video if you're interested, and if you want, go pick up a set on their website. They've usually got some kind of discount running for the various Facebook groups and stuff like that, so make sure you check them out. Not bad seat covers. You know, they're pretty good. I like them, and they come in different colors and good stuff. Guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below with whether or not you want to do a leather seat swap or something like this, or whatever you got planned, let me know. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out, and I will push out more videos like this for you to check out. Thanks, guys.